Hello, this is Steven and Ilona's Adventures, and this clip is about the romantic boat ride at Sandos Caracol Eco resort.
This activity can be booked in the hotel lobby at the concierge.
What was that? Big fish.
As you can see, the river is perfectly clear and you have tortoises swimming around in it. With this activity you get a bottle of sparkling white wine and some chocolate covered strawberries served by this lovely gentleman here.
The guy is very attentive. He would just row the boat for you and keep quiet if you want to, but if you ask him, he would answer any questions. He's very knowledgeable about the nature and all the wildlife around it. We had a really good time.
As you can see by this clip, the trees and bushes get quite low, so be prepared to duck or you're going to get hit in the back of the head. But the guy gives you plenty of warning. You can see this clip here, how crystal clear the water is. This is right next to some rooms. And this is also the section where you end up when you do the Jade River swim experience, which we've done a video on already, and hopefully we can put a link in the description, so if you guys want to watch that. The strawberries are wrapped up exceptionally well, and as you can see here I actually struggle to get into it, but I guess they have to do that to make sure no bugs or anything crawl in and ruin the lovely romantic boat ride.
We really enjoyed this romantic boat ride, and I could just recommend this. They do other activities as well. We did the Jade River swim, mountain biking around the hotel grounds. That was a lot of fun. It's a bit hot, but you can see everything quicker on the bike.
You can cycle up to see the Mayan ruins. They're only little, but they are actually genuine Mayan ruins, so that's always quite a good thing to see.
Just go down to the concierge desk and you can book everything there.
Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.